Karthik J. I am a mechanical engineer by background. I am from Bangalore Institute of Technology and I passed out in the year 2023. I joined the PYSPIDERS Basangudi in the year 2022 when I was in my 7th semesters, and I was a weekend student initially. And PYSPIDERS has been a great pillar of support, and they strengthen my core concepts in web development and software development. And the trainers in PYSPIDERS are more sophisticated, and they are always open to clear our doubts, and they are very patient, and they continuously provided us with resources, and they always train me and with assignments and mock interviews which helped me clear my interview in 4CE Clouds Labs, which is a subsidiary company of SALESFORCE, and I got placed there with a package of 3.6 lakhs per annum.